Hello, moneymakers. The majority of YouTube channels are using this type of animation for their channel. Some of the most famous making 10x income, digital income projects, and many more. So today we have decided to share this tutorial with you for free. We will be using Lexica AI, Canva, Photo-pea, and CapCut to create talking avatar studio animation. Many channel owners don't share their own techniques and trick to their viewers, but I am not of those. I will share with you all the details like complete transparency, and my motive is to give all knowledge that I have for free on this YouTube channel. So, you ready to learn this? Let's get started without any ado. First, we need a character for our video. Open Lexica and type anime boy character and animate girl character to explore various results. You can choose one of these, or you can generate own unique avatar from Lexica. I will. Now, the next thing we need is a studio background. Let's again search in Lexica Anime Studio Background. And here you will get many images. You can choose which you like most. Now let's search for Futuristic Studio. And here are the results. So carefully choose one of them. Now is the next step. I'm going to show you an amazing trick which makes your avatar video more unique than the others. For this step, choose this type of image with a window or a glass background. This allows us to insert our video through the window and giving it a more professional look. Open Photo-pea and upload the background image, then click here and choose a polygonal lasso tool and start selecting the window part like this. After selecting the portion, press backspace on your keyboard to remove this part. Now when you are done this, click on File and export the image in a PNG format. Now here we use to YouTube to search neon falling rain background videos. Choose one that complements your image and download it as MP4 YouTube video. Open CapCut, import the edited image and background video. Add the video to the first layer and the image to the second layer. Adjust the image size and position. Our background studio is ready. Now click on Export and download it on your computer. Now the next step is very important. We will lip sync for our character to make it look realistic. For that, I have done with the research. Ensure that you don't need to use any advanced applications like Photoshop or After Effects, as I know many of my audience don't have graphic designing skills for this hard work in our research. I would want to get at least a like and subscribe, that I feel motivated to put such videos more in the future. So for now, first we need to remove the background from the avatar image. For this, open Remove Background tool for free and upload your image so our background is completely removed from the image. Let's download this. After that, open the Canva and click on the video icon, upload the avatar image and background video, which we edited in CapCut. Now set the background video position. Next, add the character image into this. Now for the studio look setup. We are going to add some other elements like table microphone monitor and Exactra. We need all these material to making a realistic talking avatar. For this, go to the elements and search table. There are many tables available. You can select according to your image position. So now we will add this table in front of the avatar image. Then go to the filter and adjust the color setting as well. Now we will add a microphone. By this way you can add anything, whatever you want to add. Now it's time to remove the mouth from the image. For this, choose any shape and hide the avatar mouth with this shape. Space, then go to the color palette, choose this press icon and select the color picker. Choose avatar skin color and that's it. And this way you can hide the mouth of your character. Alright, now we will upload mouth animation lip sync video in character. If you have a pro account, then you can directly remove the background and add it on avatar. But if you don't have a pro account, don't worry, download this video and head over to the CapCut. Import both the videos. First, drag the background video into the timeline and then add mouth animation video into the second layer. Decrease the video size and click on the cutout option. Choose chroma key function, click on color picker. Choose green screen and increase the strength. Until the background will completely remove from the video. After that, set this video exactly in the place of your avatar mouth. And that's it, your talking avatar is ready. It's just an example video. Use your creativity and make your own character, as this is just for your example only. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like this video.